Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Moyo MOYOK. So I have for you a hair tutorial on Faux Locs, so stay tuned. So this is the start of the video. The one I just showed you, I was able to do that yesterday, and I used 2 packs of kinky for this, and I'm almost out of kinky. So because of that, I'm going to try to manage my kinky twist and try to make it neater and a little bit slimmer at the same time. So this is the kinky I'm using, gold from Jumia. I got it from Jumia, and this is the gold kinky. I'm using the black and the brown. So I bought 6 of these packs, which I actually used 2 yesterday, so it's remaining 4. So I'm trying to manage my stuff, and I'm going to be braiding one hair now, or to be fox locking one hair now, so you see how the process actually goes. And also, to manage it, I'm going to be using 3 from one bundle instead of the 4 that comes with the bundle. So that's what I'm trying to do. And I'm also mixing black and brown, and not just black or brown plain, you get. So yeah, that is it. So that black and brown of the 3 I'll mix. I'll use 4. I'll divide it into 4 to use it to make my hair. When that is almost done, like something like this, I'll now add again. Now take, like, add again, like take the shorter again, and then add. I'm just trying to make it as long as I can, and then continue wrapping. Don't let it get too short before you add, because if it gets too short before you add, that side will now appear very loose at the end. I don't know if that makes sense, but it does for me. I don't know. See, I'm just trying to make it make sense to you guys, and I hope it does, because I don't know if I'm doing a good job explaining, but yeah. Chill first though. So you see the end is like this. So what I do is like fold it like this, like see it, I'll just fold it like this, and then take it and then start wrapping, and then wrap like this and wrap like this. Just take my hand and do this. So now no one knows where it ended. See how it is? It's just here. So now take, like, here I have gel and water. I put styler gel and water, so yeah, it's less thick. So I'll take it around my hand, the one I just finished. I'll now use it so that all these parts will come together instead of sticking around. Yeah, so that's one. So the next one, I'm not going to say anything. You guys should just follow up. Like I said, I said I was not going to say anything. Anyway, quick. Like I said, if I'm using 2 blacks, I'm using 1 brown. 2 blacks, 1 brown. I have to rest. I don't know. I was just dizzy after I finished eating, so I just decided to sleep. Now I'm just going to do finishing touches. Okay. So what I'm doing now is that I'm taking the hair part section by section, and I'm trying to get off the kinky that's stuck to it, so I won't have like weird kinky flying around my hair. This thing, you just do it as if you're using your hand as a comb, and then just take your hand through. Any leftover kinky is going to stick between the middle of your fingers. So just so after that, yeah, I'm going to do something real quick. You see, this is a towel or a rag, anyhow you want to call it. So I'm going to soak this in a hot water. You guys use hot water if you have hot water. I boiled water, but then I boiled it around 1 o'clock. I woke up to it being warm. Obviously it's expected. And I'm too lazy to boil it again, so we're going to use it like that. Yeah. Okay. I need my hair to be hydrated, so it's going to give it a little bit of volume. This olive oil spray to make my hair shine. So this stuff has already spoiled the presser, so it comes out like oil instead of like spray. So I'm just going to use it like that. guitar braid. So I want to pack it. Thank you guys. Oh, cute. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, stay tuned to the next video. So I hope you actually like this hair, because I actually like it. It's not like other Faux Locs I've seen. It's just like, it's like a little twist. It's a little twist, like it's showing Moyo. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye. My eye bags are much, yeah, I know. Either ways, bye bye. Peace out. Bye.